Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Welcome to Natara Space. I am Natara, and today we are going to be doing a 10-minute instant cleaning motivation video. So if that's your thing, please stick around. Like it used to be. Okay, you guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with this video. I am in my kitchen on today. I am actually doing an after dark clean with me. It is going to be very relaxing but yet motivating. So right here, you guys, I'm just cleaning off of my counter over here where the stove is. I'm using the Lavender Antibacterial cleaner from Family Dollar Store. I'm going to be using it throughout this whole entire video, you guys. I'm going to be spraying it on the appliances and everything. So this is what I'm doing right here. I'm just using that cleaner and cleaning off the countertops over by the stove. I know you wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. This stove cover, it always have crumbs on it, so that's why you see me always wiping this thing off, because I use it for my lunch videos as well. Like it used to be. For those of you who don't know me, I am Natara, and if you're new, thank you so much for deciding to come along with me on this journey. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and a little bit of decor. So if that's your thing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. Right here, you guys, I'm just cleaning out the refrigerator so that I will be able to put those two containers that's sitting on the counter with aluminum foil on it in it. That was dinner from today. It was baked pork chops with different color bell peppers and onions, as well as some broccoli and potato mix with Parmesan cheese on top. So right here, you guys, I'm just going to be cleaning out those pots that I just got out of the refrigerator. Also, I'm talking to my bestie on the phone, Courtney from Mama Makes It Happen. You guys, if you need some type of motivation or anything, you guys, her channel is the best. So head on over there. I will have her link in my description box, as well as going across the screen right here. Okay, you guys, now I'm just going to go ahead and just remove all of these dishes that's in the dishwasher, because that was from this morning, and Xavier wanted to show his friends his hair. I did do some comb twists in his hair earlier today. Right here, I'm just going to be refilling the detergent container. Also, you guys, follow me on all of my social medias. I will have it down in the description box. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to start putting the dishes in its proper place. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. Let me know down in the comment section, what is your favorite thing to do in the kitchen? Is it organizing the cabinets, or is it washing dishes? What is your favorite thing? Let me know down below. My favorite thing to do is to clean the sink, because I love to see the bubbles going down the drain. It is so relaxing. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Okay, you guys, so right here, I'm just gonna start by hand washing my dishes before I place them in the dishwasher. I just don't want this moment to end. So that's what I'm doing right here, you guys, is just washing these dishes and talking to my friend on the phone. So we're just gonna let a little bit of music play before we get to the next clip.
Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment to end. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah.
Now that I have all of the dishes cleaned and put into the dishwasher, I'm just cleaning out the sink, because you know, after you're done washing dishes, you still have like a little bit of debris in the sink. But you guys, I did lose a clip. I lost a clip. I used some Brillo soap cleaner that you usually will use in your mop water, but I put that in my sink, you guys, and I have been using that for like 2 weeks now, and it makes a world of difference. It makes your sink so shiny afterwards, and it also smells good as well.
On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. Can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. Can love me better than you. Love me better than you do. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, 'cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done.
You guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so at this time. Also, like this video and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. I upload on Sunday, Monday, and Thursday, you guys. And also we have Wednesday night prayer. So if that's something that you're interested in, please make sure that bell is turned on. Okay, you guys, right here I'm just going to be sweeping the floor because I did mop the floor yesterday. So that's all I'm doing right here is sweeping the floor. And this will be the end of the video, you guys. I hope and pray that it did motivate you guys to get up and do something around your home. And also thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.